for being a part of this 2 wonderful day conference. हालांकि मुझे मजा नहीं आया. So I think, okay, how many people are we here over here right now? How many would we be? Anyone giving me a number? हम कितने लोग होंगे यहाँ पर इस हॉल में? Anybody? 200? 200 people we are in the hall right now. So I want to hear that when 200 people together clap, what happens? I would want to hear that energy. I think little louder, we can take it up much higher. All right, thank you so much. I'm sure the excitement level, the energy levels today are only going to keep rising as the night proceeds. So once again, a warm welcome to all of you. I am Sukhmani Lamba, your host for these 2 fabulous days, and I'm very, very excited for this gala night. I accord you all a very, very warm welcome. I know I have changed gears because that's what this night requires. It needs us all to change the energy, really bring down our hair, grab a drink, put on our dancing shoes, and have a lot of fun because this night promises a lot of entertainment. So I welcome you officially to the Sugar, Ethanol, Bioenergy International Awards 2025. I think this definitely calls for a round of applause. As promised, we are here to acknowledge, appreciate the dedication, hard work, commitment, the vision of so many of our industry leaders. So here we are with the awards night to felicitate all of you and honor the incredible work you all have put in. So thank you once again for being here. And it's been a splendid morning. It's been a splendid day. I thought let's begin with a little bit of an energizer. Let's do a little bit of a icebreaker. So can I request my audience, क्या आप सभी से मैं request कर सकती हूँ to please just rise wherever you are, थोड़ा सा. We've been sitting all day, so we can rise up a little bit. I want everyone to be in a different mode, different energy. Yes, sir, please, please, please. I request everyone to rise. आप जहाँ पर भी हैं, एक बार सब जरा खड़े हो जाएं. Let's all of us, मैं national anthem नहीं करवाऊंगी. Don't worry. That's not the plan. All right, ma'am, you look so beautiful tonight in the yellow sari. You look so lovely. It's lovely to see you. All right, I thought let's take a moment to just quickly look to our right and left and just greet each other with a smile. So can we just do that? Let's just welcome each other. Let's just pat each other's back for being in this journey together. We all come from the same field. So really, shake hands with each other at the front, at the back. Give a little smile, say a little hello. कुछ लोगों के हाथ उनके pockets में ही हैं. Let's bring the hands out. You can wave at each other. Let's say hello to each other very quickly. Let's greet each other for this evening. This is the whole point of this night. We want you all to interact. We want you all to get to know each other a little bit more. That's fantastic. Okay. I'll take this a step forward. Yeah, so a discussion, very nice. This is the next panel discussion for tomorrow morning. We will bring you on stage because I saw the interaction that you all had. That's fabulous. एक और चीज करते हैं, चलिए छोटी सी. आप जल्दी से I'll give you 2 minutes. इस कमरे में आप किसी ऐसे इंसान को ढूंढिए जिसका नाम आपको नहीं पता. ठीक है? या सबको सबका नाम पता है? I'm assuming कोई तो होगा जिसका नाम आपको नहीं पता. So quickly just find that one person and get to know their name. Just get to know their name, say hello to them. So you go back knowing one new name today. Let's find out any one person जिनको आप नहीं जानते जी. Fabulous, fantastic. इनका नाम आप जानें, इनका नाम क्या है? राजेश जी. और इनका नाम क्या है? Jayesh. So Jayesh ji and Rajesh ji just got to know each other and they've made friends right over there. I see new relationships, new friendships, new connections, new bonds. That's the whole point of this 2-day conference. So thank you everybody. That was fabulous. Let's clap for the audience once. Thank you so much. I think हमने अब थोड़ी सी energy mingle कर दी है. थोड़ा सा हम relax हो गए हैं. So please have a seat everybody. Thank you once again. And with this, to mark the auspicious beginning of our night for today, we have a set of beautiful dancers who will be joining us on the stage to present a wonderful Ganesh Vandana. So sit back, relax, and enjoy through the night. Here comes the beautiful Ganesh Vandana. Thank you.
Oh गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि कृष्णा कृष्णा ओ है कृष्णा कृष्णा वृंदावन में रास रचाए मुरली की धुन पे सबको नचाए कृष्णा कृष्णा ओ है कृष्णा कृष्णा
चकारचण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिवम् जटाधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलासबन्धुबन्धुरसुरद्दिगन्तसन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपाकटाक्षधोरणी निरुद्धरदयापति दिगम्बरे मनोविनोदने तु वस्तुनि
पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के विराज सुपेसा कुंडल कुंचित केसा वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे काले मूंज जने
गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते नंदित मोदिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नंदिते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिनि कंटक कुंडली भूरि कुंडली भूरि कृते जय जय वै महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरनयनादवतीये तदीय दानव मुक्तचरासुरते मधुर कौंडत दानव दानव दूहननादरते जय जय वै महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते
All right, so I think we couldn't have had a better performance than that. Can we give a louder round of applause to these wonderful dancers, for all these lovely artists? And now, ladies and gentlemen, as promised, we have a very well-known face, television की दुनिया की एक बहुत ही जानी मानी हस्ती, a beautiful actress who's a household name. She is lovingly known and fondly remembered as Akshara from the super hit TV show Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai. The very ravishing, the beautiful, the very, very talented. Please give a huge round of applause to welcome on stage the lovely Hina Khan. Hello, good evening. Lovely to meet you. A very, very warm welcome. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. सबसे पहले तो I have to say you look so lovely. You look absolutely wonderful. एक बार जरा जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. We have such a lovely, such a talented personality amongst us today. It's such an honor for us to have you. You're gracing this occasion with your magnetic presence. So thank you so much for that. And can we please have a mic also? Can we have another mic, please? और we've all been very excited that you're joining us this evening. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा किस्सा बताऊंगी. Before we're quickly getting the mic also for you. I've been an MC for many years and कुछ 1.5-2 साल पहले मैं आपसे इंदौर में मिली थी. एक नवरात्रि का इवेंट था. It was a real estate event. आप वहाँ आए थे and after that मैं आपकी स्टोरी को, आपकी जर्नी को बहुत क्लोजली फॉलो करती हुई आ रही हूँ. It's so inspiring. It is so motivating. And I actually would now want to add the ravishing, the talented, the fighter, the warrior, the absolutely inspirational Hina Khan. It's tremendous. जो खूबसूरत मुस्कुराहट और जो आपकी आंखों में मैंने चमक तब देखी थी, मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि वो पूरी तरीके से बरकरार है. इनफैक्ट आई वुड से देयर इज सो मच मोर डेप्थ इन योर आईज. एंड कहते हैं ना कि एक ऑरा होता है. आज मुझे लगता है आपका ऑरा और भी कितना ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड कर गया है. एंड द स्पिरिट दैट यू हैड फॉर लाइफ इज एब्सोल्युटली कमेंडेबल एंड वी आर सो ऑनर्ड टू हैव यू हियर विद अस. वेलकम टू यू टू दिल्ली amongst all of us, and we would love to hear you say a few words.
Thank you so much. Can I give you a hug?
Of course.
Thank you for your sweet words, for your motivational words, and what do I say? I feel okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, it's just that she swayed me with all the compliments and it's nice. It's a good feeling when you hear that a little act of yours is somewhere in some part of the world motivating someone or inspiring someone. I think that was the whole purpose and that was the whole motive behind whatever I put out in public about my journey, about my journey. So thank you so much. Thank you for all the kind words and appreciation. Absolutely. Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am thrilled, honored to be here today. It's kind of, it's by the way, my first event of 2025. I could not really step out for the longest time, and this is the first time I have stepped out, taken the first flight of 2025 after my treatment to meet you all here. I am very, very excited. I want to thank all the organizers, Jeetu Shah, Hemant Shah, and Upal Shah for having me here, JK Group, and Chini Mandi. This entire organization, how they have created this network where all of you connect, and then won this beautiful award night where you all are appreciated and grow as a family. I feel honored and privileged to be here. Thank you so much for having me, and we are going to have lots of fun. आप सब मुझे देख रहे हैं ऐसे, मुझे थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लग रहा है. Are you happy or not? Thank you so much for having me, and thank you again.
Most welcome. I meant everything from my heart.
Thank you. I
utmost
know, I could
honesty.
see that in your eyes. I could really see that in your eyes. And as I said, it's an honor to be here. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि एक छोटा सा ग्रुप एक डिजिटली एक चीज़ ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और उसके बाद वो इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो जाती है. They grow in a big fat family where they motivate each other, they encourage each other, and then these beautiful nights where again they motivate each other and grow and grow and grow together. So thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. And with this, we will now begin with the award ceremony.
Yes, of course.
And,
I'm excited.
And we will request you to now give away the awards. I'm going to take the dais there. If you like, I can take the mic from you. Thank you so much. All right. I'm actually very excited and very, very thrilled. Let's begin now with the awards ceremony for the night. And I will begin with the first category, which is already very exciting, the Lifetime Achievement Award in Sugar and Oil Sector. And to take away the award, I would like to welcome on stage Mr. Gopal K. Sood. जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करना चाहेंगे Sood ji ka. Gopal Krishan Sood is a distinguished leader with expertise across petroleum, metals, and agri-commodities, including sugar, with leadership roles in public, cooperative, and private sectors, as well as in global trading companies like Louis Dreyfus and Noble Resources. He has made significant contributions to India's trade, industry, and bioenergy sectors. Thank you so much and congratulations. Our next category for the Visionary Leadership Award for Business Excellence with Global Footprint. And to take away the award, may I invite on stage Mr. Vijendra Singh. Mr. Singh is a well-known professional of the Indian sugar industry, having about 41 years of rich experience in sugar, ethanol, and power sectors. Apart from Sri Renuka Sugars, he is the managing director of KBK Chem Engineering Private Limited. Thank you and congratulations. Our next category for the most promising domestic sugar trader in North India. And let's please welcome on stage All India Food Supply Private Limited, Kolkata. All India Food Supply Private Limited, Kolkata has been a symbol of excellence for over 4 decades. Founded as a proprietorship company and later incorporated, it specializes in supplying a wide range of sugar products. Under the visionary leadership of Mr. Biswanath Agrawal, the company has built a solid reputation for reliability and quality, serving diverse industries and earning trust throughout its long history. Many Many congratulations. Moving on to the next category, the AI-based software and technology provider. May I welcome on stage Agrah Technologies Private Limited. Welcoming you to join us on stage to receive the award. In 2017, the Economic Times called us as India's first voice agency for our pioneering work in conversational AI with Alexa and Google Assistant. Since then, we have expanded beyond conversational AI to harness the full potential of AI technologies, enabling us to offer more comprehensive and versatile solutions. Our next category for Best Sugar Plant in the Private Sector. And let's welcome on stage to take away the award, Awadh Sugar and Energy Limited. Awadh Sugar and Energy Limited, part of the KK Birla Group, is a leading producer of sugar, ethanol and co-generated power in Uttar Pradesh. With a capacity of 40,500 TCD, 320K KLPD distillery and 74 MW cogeneration, the company supports India's EBP program focusing on sustainability, innovation and rural development. Do we have anybody joining us on stage from the Awadh Sugar and Energy Limited? All right. Very quickly, our next category, the largest integrated sugar mills in India. And let's put our hands together for Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. Founded in 1931 by Shri Jamnalal Bajaj, Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited is one of the world's largest integrated sugar producers with 14 mills in Uttar Pradesh. The company has a cane crushing capacity of 136,000 TCD and distillation capacity of 800 KLPD, leading India's ethanol revolution and supporting over 5 lakh farmers. Next, we have the Excellence in Management from the Co-op sector, and the award goes to Bajirao Gunda Sutar. Requesting you to please join us on stage. Mr. Bajirao, with 38 years of experience in the cooperative sector, specializes in the sugar industry and allied sectors. He has held leadership roles, including Managing Director at Karma Yogi Shankaraji Patil SSK Limited and Sahakar Maharishi Shankaro Kohle SSK Limited, earning prestigious awards like Sahakar Bhushan and Best Innovative Sugar Plant. The most trusted EPC partner in the bioenergy industry, and I would call on stage Seed Consultants and Engineering Private Limited. Seed Consultants and Engineering Private Limited specializes in renewable energy solutions, focusing on biomass, bio-CNG and its byproducts. Established by engineers and project managers, Seed offers turnkey projects from design to construction and maintenance, helping clients create sustainable, pollution-reducing energy solutions with proven technologies. Many congratulations. Our next category, Most Efficient Sugar Supply Chain Management. And I would like to welcome Chakyat Agencies. Requesting you to join us on stage to take away the award. Chakyat Agencies. The most efficient sugar supply chain management. Okay, I'm quickly going to move to the next category. The most promising energy efficient solutions provider. And to take away the award, welcome on stage Clean Earth Energy Solution India Private Limited. Well, congratulations. Yes. Congratulations. Please join us on stage. The Clean Earth Energy Solution is a company dedicated to providing sustainable energy solutions focused on environmental preservation, specializing in renewable energy technologies. The company aims to reduce carbon footprints by offering innovative and eco-friendly solutions. Committed to a cleaner future, Clean Earth Energy Solution contributes to global sustainability efforts. Our next category for the numero uno interpreter. And for the award, I welcome Kovrig Analytics. Kovrig Analytics. Claudio Kovrig. If he's here with us, I would request you to please join us on stage. Well, many congratulations. Now, the next category for the Best Integrated Sugar Company. And I would like to invite for the award Dalmia Bharat Sugar and Industries Limited. And congratulations to the entire family of Dalmia Bharat Sugar and Industries Limited. Next, we have the most diversified sugar group, and it's my honor to welcome DCM Shriram Limited. Mr. Roshan Lal Tamak serves as the Executive Director and CEO, leading the sugar and ethanol business of DCM Shriram Limited. With over 3 decades of experience in the Indian sugar sector, he holds key positions in industry forums, including President of Uttar Pradesh Sugar Mills Association and Chairman of the Sugarcane Subcommittee of Indian Sugar Mills Association. Thank you, DCM Shriram Limited. Next category for the emerging group of sugar mills, and let's welcome DVP Group. DVP Group. I'll really request my audience to keep clapping for all these wonderful winners, to encourage them with a lot more enthusiasm. Mr. Abhijit Dhananjay Patil promotes several ventures including Dhara Shiv Shankar Karkhana Limited, a sugar and distillery company with a 2500 TCD capacity. Many congratulations. For our next category, which is India's biggest online sugar trade platform, and the winner for that would be Buy Sugar Not Coming. All right, the next category for the emerging startup for biofuel trade, let's welcome Fuel Brains India Private Limited. Fuel Brains specializes in innovative, cost-optimized biofuel solutions, focusing on ethanol supplies for India's EBP program. With a nationwide presence, we aim to enhance energy security, economic growth, and environmental health. All right, for the next category, the most trusted transporter for sugar, GV Olarkar. I request you to join us on stage. Most trusted transport for sugar. Moving on to our next category, the philanthropist of sugar industry, Guru Dutt's Sugars. Shri Guru Dutt Sugars Limited, founded by late Bhagwan Raoji Ghatke in 2000, operates in the Kaliwadi, Kolhapur, and they are today the winners of the philanthropist of the sugar industry. Next, we have the most promising domestic sugar broker, Gujarat, and I would like to welcome Jagdish Broker, Ahmedabad. Jagdish Broker, Ahmedabad. Jagdish Broker, established over 4 decades ago in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, is a well-established domestic sugar brokerage firm specializing in facilitating sugar transactions within the Indian market. The company connects buyers and sellers with a wealth of experience and industry knowledge. Many congratulations. Next, we have the best sugar selling strategy. And to take away the award, I would like to welcome Jayant Sugar. Established in 2006 by Dr. Suresh Jayant Rao Bhosle and Dr. Atul Suresh Bhosle, Mr. Jayant Sugars Limited is a dynamic agri-business and bioenergy corporation aiming to be the most efficient sugar processor. Next category for the most promising domestic sugar trade house. And to take away the award, I welcome KS Commodities Private Limited. KS Commodities Private Limited. Next, we have the best ERP software for sugar traders. And let's give a hand to Lata and Deekshit Technologies. Audience, this is the award night. We are here to appreciate and acknowledge the contribution, the tremendous work which has been put in by our very own people. तो थोड़ा सा और जोश, थोड़ी और तालियों की गूंज, थोड़ा और एनर्जी हो तो मजा आ जाए आज की इस अवार्ड नाइट में. एंड नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी पर चलते हैं, इंडियाज नंबर 1 पैकेज्ड शुगर ब्रांड. और जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं मधुर शुगर. Sri Renuka Sugars Limited, part of the Wilmar Singapore Group, is one of India's largest sugar and green energy producers. And today they are the India's number 1 packaged sugar brand, Madhur Sugar. 3 more categories. Best Management Award for Managing Director from Co-op Sugar Sector. And let's welcome Manohar G. Joshi. Mr. Manohar Joshi, under the visionary leadership of Sri Kalpana Avade, has been instrumental in the remarkable success of the Awadh Jawahar. The company, with a crushing capacity of 16,000 TCD and power generation of 28.5 megawatt, has thrived due to its dedication to supporting farmers with training, subsidies, and advanced guidance. Many congratulations. And the next category is for the excellence in claims and insurance service. Audience, zara zordar taliyan ho jaएं. Let me hear you all give a huge round of applause as we welcome Marsh India Insurance Brokers Private Limited. Marsh India Insurance Brokers Private Limited, a subsidiary of Marsh McLennan, is a leading insurance broker offering risk management and advisory services. With expertise across industries, we provide tailored insurance solutions, helping business navigate complex risks, and committed to excellence. Many congratulations to you. And the last award for the first segment, for the best quality in specialized sugar. And to take away the award, let's welcome on stage Mavana Sugars Limited. Mavana Sugars Limited is a part of the Shriram Group, founded in 1889, and has been the sugar business for the last 70 years. Many, many congratulations. Thank you so much. With this, We will take a little break. I would request you to please have a seat. Please join us. And then after a quick performance, we will continue with the next segment. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the lovely Hina Khan for gracing us with her beautiful presence tonight. Can I request some of our members to please escort her to the sofa in the front? Thank you so much. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, before we bring to you the next segment of awards for the night, there is a thrilling dance performance coming up. Jitne bhi log piche hain, I think, has the bar opened? I think it has. So everybody at the back, please grab a drink because there is a wonderful dhamakedar performance which is coming on stage. We really want you to enjoy, have fun, let loose, relax, and enjoy through the evening. Here we have a wonderful dance performance coming up for all of you. Before we bring on another exciting dance performance for all of you, I will quickly take this moment to thank all our wonderful exclusive sponsors, our chemical partner, Aditya Fine Chem Private Limited, CBG partner, Seed Consultants and Engineering Private Limited, our sweetener partner, DCM Shriram Limited, sustainable energy partner, Gruner Renewable Energy, sugar mill partner, Mavana Sugars Limited, bioenergy knowledge partner, Praj Industries Limited, and our enzymes partner, Valiant Biotech Private Limited. Once again, our heartfelt gratitude to all the wonderful sponsors who have made this conference, the day one of this conference, a huge success. Your support, your encouragement, and your belief in us is absolutely invaluable. Thank you so much. And with this, we are ready to bring back the fantastic dancers for another electrifying, thunderous dance performance. So let's welcome on stage.
ये गुच्ची अरमानी पिछे रोल दी जवानी चेक कर दी बरंडा वाले टैग नी आजा दस्सा तेनू सोहणीए नी फैशन की हुंदा तेरे यार दा तां वखरा सवैग ये गुच्ची अरमानी पिछे रोल दी जवानी रोल दी जवानी चेक कर दी बरंडा वाले टैग नी आजा दस्सा तेनू सोहणीए नी फैशन की हुंदा तेरे यार दा तां वखरा सवैग
जी मेरा सूट पटियाला कितनों को मार डाला हाँ पंजाब दी में कोई सरदार नहीं जुत्ती मेरी है कि कम सारी कट दी है वाल तेरे तो भी ज्यादा बखरा सुहागनी
वखरा सवैगनी हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लख नाम रोड़ा खा जा हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लख नाम रोड़ा खा जा हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लख नाम रोड़ा खा जा जल्दी कर तो आई नहीं जल्दी कर तो आई
O meu cara, o meu cara, deixa mais de dar. Agora eu creio, o meu cara, mais de dar. Agora eu creio, agora eu creio. कौन करता है मैनू प्यार सारे बड़ी फिरते हैं हकदार जाने कौन करता है मैनू प्यार सारे बड़ी फिरते हैं हकदार जाने कौन करता है मैनू प्यार सारे बड़ी फिरते हैं हकदार जाने कौन करता है मैनू प्यार
सीने विच दिल धड़के सोहणीए सीने विच दिल धड़के तेन बस तड़पे तेरा करके खड़के रोसी मेरे नामे कई नित करके खड़के रोसी तेरे नामे
All right, तो ये थी एक और enthralling, धमाकेदार Bollywood performance for all of you. Once again, thank you to these wonderful artists, all these dancers who took stage for us. And with this, may I please request the lovely Hina Khan to once again grace the stage for the second set of awards. All right, and here we are with the second segment of awards for the night. And for the first category, which is the Unique Indian MNC. And to take away the award, I'd welcome Mir Commodities. I would like to welcome on stage. और मेरी ऑडियंस थोड़ा सा आपसे मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मेरे साथ मिलकर इस अवार्ड नाइट को थोड़ा और शानदार और थोड़ा और यादगार बनाएं. तो एक बार जरा जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सेकेंड सेगमेंट के पहले अवार्ड के लिए, which has gone to Mir Commodities. Can I please request the awardees to join us on stage? Thank you. स्वागत है आपका. Mir Group is an Indian group with a significant presence in domestic and international trade, a global footprint through subsidiaries in Dubai and Sri Lanka, a strong research base providing inputs to the $2.26 billion London-based Marex Group engaged in financial services, research and brokerage, and majority ownership in 2 sugar production facilities in India. Congratulations to you. Next category, we have the best talent and knowledge for sugar and ethanol industry. और बुलाना चाहूंगी स्टेज पर मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोहन. जोरदार तालियों के साथ बुलाते हैं स्टेज पर नरेंद्र मोहन जी को. Professor Narendra Mohan is a renowned expert in the sugar industry, celebrated for his pioneering research and impactful initiatives. As the former director of the National Sugar Institute, Kanpur, he played a key role in modernizing the institute and advancing sustainable practices. Many congratulations. for our next category, which is the best contribution to the India's cooperative sugar sector. और स्टेज पे बुलाते हैं नेशनल फेडरेशन ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव शुगर फैक्ट्रीज लिमिटेड. We will have them joining us. We are moving on to the next category for the best contribution in the field of research and development for sugar industry. और बुलाना चाहूंगी मंच पर नेशनल शुगर इंस्टीट्यूट. National Sugar Institute. For our next category, which is the most efficient technology for sugar production. To take away the award, welcoming on stage Natural Sugar and Allied Industries Limited. जल्दी से for the best contribution in the India's cooperative sugar sector, National Federation of Cooperative Sugar Factories Limited. आप हमारे साथ हैं तो please join us on stage. बहुत बहुत बधाई, many congratulations. For the next category, the most promising domestic sugar trader, Maharashtra. And let's welcome Navkar Traders from Maharashtra. If we have anyone joining us on the stage, I request you to please quickly join us onto the stage. Ugly category for the fastest acquisition of sugar mills. Onkar Sakhar Karkhana Private Limited. Onkar Sakhar Karkhana Private Limited. Can we please have the award for the fastest acquisition? Navkar Traders, I'm so sorry, apologies. Can we please have the award for Navkar Traders on the stage very quickly? My volunteers, I'm sorry I've confused you. Navkar Traders की ट्रॉफी हम प्लीज स्टेज पर ले आएं जल्दी से. Apologies for the delay. Can we please have the trophy for Navkar Traders? The fastest acquisition of sugar mills, Onkar Sakhar Karkhana Private Limited. Yes, we have the winner over here with us. Quickly, can we bring the token onto the stage? Onkar Sakhar Karkhana Private Limited, located in Chandapuri, Solapur, thrives on rich agricultural resources and ample canal irrigation. For our next category, premium bulk consumer for sugar, Parle Biscuit Private Limited. Our premium bulk consumer for sugar, Parle Biscuit Private Limited. Parle Products, established in 1929, is India's leading manufacturer of biscuits and confectionery, renowned for its flagship biscuit, Parle G, the world's best-selling biscuit brand. Many congratulations. The most trusted co-op sugar mill, Hutatma Kisan Ahir SSK Limited. एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ बुलाते हैं स्टेज पर हमारे अगले अवॉर्डी को, which is for the category Most Trusted Co-op Sugar Mill. Best Harvesting Technology for Sugar Industry. And to collect the award, I request Planet Eye Farm AI Limited. Planet Eye Farm AI Limited. Planet Eye Farm AI pioneers the fusion of agriculture, AI, and satellite monitoring, transforming farming with data-driven sustainable solutions. Next, we have the best innovative technology supplier in the sugar and ethanol industry, Praj Industries Limited. Praj Industries Limited. Praj, India's leading bio-based technology company, began as an ethanol plant supplier and now offers sustainable solutions in bioenergy, high-purity water, breweries, and wastewater treatment. For the most promising trade house for bioenergy products, Rajganga Biorefineries Private Limited. Rajganga Biorefineries Private Limited. If the awardee is here, I request you to please join us on stage very quickly. I'll move on. The most trusted legal advisor, Advocate Rahul Desai. The most trusted legal advisor, Advocate Rahul Desai. Advocate Rahul Desai is a seasoned legal professional with extensive expertise in various areas of law. Known for his strategic approach and client-focused services, he offers expert legal counsel and representation. Moving on, leadership excellence in private sugar sector. Let's welcome on stage Rajshri Sugars. Rajshri Sugars. I'll move to the next category, which is of the highest volume in domestic sugar trade. Rika Global Impacts Limited. Rika Global Impacts Limited. जल्दी से बुलाती हूँ नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी जो है हमारी मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग को-ऑप शुगर मिल, सदाशिवराव मंडलिक एसएसके लिमिटेड. मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग को-ऑप शुगर मिल. ऑडियंस प्लीज हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें. ये अवार्ड नाइट हम सब के लिए बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर अप्रिशिएट एक्नॉलेज कर रहे हैं और ऑनर कर रहे हैं काम हम ही से निकले बहुत सारे लोगों का जो हमारी फील्ड से ही आते हैं. So let's all be together and let's encourage more amazing path-breaking work happening in our industry. Next category for the community development and farmer upliftment, Sakti Sugar Limited. Sakti Sugar Limited. चलती हूँ अपनी नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी की तरफ. द बेस्ट शुगर प्लांट इन कोऑपरेटिव शुगर सेक्टर, श्री दत्ता शेटकरी एसएसके लिमिटेड. We have a few more awards to go and we will finish the segment for the night. Turnkey Project Excellence for the Industry, Shri Kuramdas Industries Private Limited. Okay, we have the awardees who are coming up on the stage. Shri Kuramdas Industries Private Limited, Turnkey Project Excellence for the Industry. Shri Kuramdas Industries Private Limited specializes in manufacturing sugar, jaggery powder and distillery plants, offering turnkey solutions with advanced technology, known for innovations like the TRGE system. Many congratulations. अगली कैटेगरी हमारी आज की बेस्ट शुगर केन प्रोड्यूसर इन द पंजाब रीजन, सुरेंद्र सिंह सावनसुखा. स्वागत है आपका. एक बार जरा तालियां हो जाएं. Let's please cheer on all the awardees for tonight. This is the best sugarcane producer in the Punjab region. the most promising sugar mill in private sector, Swaraj Green Power and Fuel Limited. Swaraj Green Power and Fuel Limited. Swaraj Green Power and Fuel, established 15 years ago and based in Satara, Maharashtra, specializes in providing sustainable energy solutions. Next category for the most efficient sugar and ethanol production technology, the Ugar Sugar Works Limited. If we have anybody, oh, please welcome. Many congratulations, Aapko, for the most efficient sugar and ethanol production technology. "60 years ago, the firm was a small hamlet in Sangli, blessed with a fertile landscape and access to the Krishna River and a railway station. In 1942, under the guidance of Dr. S.R. Shirgaonkar and his nephew Shri V.S. Shirgaonkar, a sugar factory was established, transforming Ugar Khurd into a bustling industrial township." Next category for India's largest biofuel producer, True Alt Bioenergy. True Alt Bioenergy. I request the awardee to please join us on stage. True Alt Bioenergy. Our next category for the innovative enzymatic solutions. Okay, we have the True Alt Bioenergy. Welcome to you and बहुत shubhkamnaएं आपको. Many congratulations. True Alt Bioenergy is one of India's largest biofuels producers, specializing in ethanol production. As the country's largest ethanol producer by capacity, the company is a leader in the sector. Thank you so much. Please have a seat. The innovative enzymatic solutions. For the award, I welcome Valiant Biotech Private Limited. Founded in 2013, Valiant Biotech specializes in providing chemicals and water treatment solutions, focusing on customer satisfaction. With a team of highly qualified professionals, the company exceeds global standards, offering prompt responses and addressing diverse customer needs. And finally, we have the most promising domestic sugar trader from the region of Uttar Pradesh, Yaski International, Muzaffarnagar. Most promising domestic sugar trader, Uttar Pradesh. Yaski International has been serving the sugar industry for about 80 years with offices in Muzaffarnagar, Noida and Delhi. At its core, Yaski is an integrated sugar business that supports the entire value chain of sugar, trading through logistics, financing and distribution. Many congratulations and thank you so much. I will once again repeat the highest volume in domestic sugar trade, Rika Global Impex Limited. If you're here with us, I would request you to kindly join in to take away the award for the highest volume in domestic sugar trade. Rika Global Impex Limited. And I'm going to announce for the most efficient sugar supply chain management, Chakyat Agencies. Chakyat Agencies. Chakyat, a family-owned business with nearly a century of history, began by trading timber and rosewood. Over time, it expanded into iron and steel, cement, sanitary ware, and shipping. With offices across India and over 450 employees, Chakyat has grown into a multi-dimensional company with diverse business interests. Thank you so much. With this, I conclude this segment for the night. I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest for the night. Thank you so much for being here. Can we please give a huge round of applause?
Thank you everyone for having me. I really enjoyed the night, and congratulations to all the winners. And yeah, I mean, I don't feel like going. I just want to sit, enjoy, eat. पीछे देखो कैसे मेला लगा हुआ है. सब खाने में busy हो गए. Awards मिल गए. Now everyone is celebrating. But nonetheless, that's what it is all about, encouraging each other, and then encouragement के साथ साथ खाना पीना भी जरूरी है.
I agree with you.
So you all enjoy the evening, and all the best to each one of you, and congratulations once again. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Hina Khan. Thank you so much. All right, with this, we conclude the awards for tonight. एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सभी winners को. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सभी को. आज का काफ़ी हमने लंबा दिन साथ में बिताया है. बहुत सारी डिस्कशंस हुई हैं, बहुत बातचीत हुई है. एंड आई थिंक नाउ इट्स ट्रूली डिजर्विंग कि हम सब अच्छे से एंजॉय करें, इस शाम का पूरा पूरा मज़ा लें. सो प्लीज़ जॉइन अस. हैव अ गुड नाइट, हैव अ गुड इवनिंग. बिफोर दैट देयर आर कपल ऑफ अनाउंसमेंट्स दैट आई हैव टू मेक. कल सुबह हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट विल बी सर्व्ड एट 11 AM. We have a specific studio. Sorry, the checkout tomorrow. Sorry, this is a slightly एक important announcement कर रही हूँ मैं. बस 2 मिनट और उसके बाद यहाँ पर सिर्फ मस्ती और मज़ा होने वाला है. एक amazing band आने वाला है. So before that, हमारा checkout कल के लिए everyone who is staying with us at the Andaz Hotel, कल का checkout 11 बजे का रहेगा. We will be checking out at 11 AM. और जो हमारा breakfast है, Studio 7. 7:30 onwards, breakfast will be served in Studio 6. ये बहुत ज़रूरी इंफॉर्मेशन है. हम जब सुबह उठेंगे और हम खाना ढूंढेंगे तो Studio 6 में breakfast हम सभी के लिए arrange हो जाएगा. So please join us for breakfast, which will start at 7:30 PM. और I think मैंने सभी announcements आज की कर दी हैं. करेक्ट. कल जो हमारा दूसरा दिन है हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंस का, उसका पहला सेशन हम शुरू करेंगे सुबह 11 बजे. 11 AM we will begin with our first session tomorrow morning. And without further ado, let me please welcome our wonderful dancers back on stage for another fantastic sizzling performance. Also the bar is open. मुझे अनाउंस करने के लिए बोला गया था, but I think the bar is already open. I don't have to announce it. So please everybody grab a drink and enjoy yourself.
पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फ्लावर नहीं, फायर है मैं.
అంటవా అమ్మవా అంటవా అమ్మవా అంటవా అమ్మవా అంటవా అమ్మవా కోకా కోకా కడితే కురకురమంటూ చూస్తారు. పట్టి పట్టి కౌనే వస్తే పట్టి పట్టి చూస్తారు. ఒక కాదు కౌను కాదు కట్టులోన ఏముంది ఈ కళ్ళల్లోనే అంతా ఉంది. నీ మరుగుద్దే వంకర పుట్టి అంటావు 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 అంటావా అమ్మవా అంటావా అమ్మవా
जो कहता है बीवी तेरी
नहीं हूँ मर्द मेरा तो लगता है सामने और सामने तेरे पीछे पीछे चलो जैसे तेरे पीछे पीछे चलो जैसे तेरे सीढ़ी पे चलो सामने तेरे पीछे बैठो ऐसे जैसे शिव की पकड़ पाई मोर सामने और टक्कर जवा तेरी नजर ले जाएगी प्रेम न कर सामने ऐसा मैं
पुष्पराज मैं झुकेगा नहीं
భాష పరదేశి నేను వారి నుంచి వచ్చేసాను
This is the tribute to Talaiwa from King Khan and one and only Yo Honey Singer.
मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और रजनी don't miss that chance all the Rajini fans don't miss that chance lungi dance 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 ये मेरा अड्डा बेटा ये मेरा अड्डा बेटा ये मेरा अड्डा बेटा ये मेरा अड्डा
पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या फ्लावर नहीं फायर है मैं
So this was our last performance for the night. I really hope आज का ये दिन आप सभी के लिए यादगार रहेगा. एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ आप सभी का for joining in today. This is a night for celebration, for connecting, bonding with each other. एक दूसरे को और अच्छे से जानने की रात है. So I hope you all have fun. In another 15 to 20 minutes, we have a very phenomenal band. एक live band आ रहा है आप सभी के लिए stage पर, who are going to play some melodious music for all of us. So please stay with us, have fun, enjoy the night, and have a good time. And I think मैंने सारी announcements अपनी आज की कर दी हैं. I will take your leave now from here. Thank you so much for being such an exceptional audience. This is Sukmini Lamba signing off. आपसे मैं मिलूंगी कल सुबह 11 बजे at the same venue, and we will be starting with our first session in the morning for the day 2 of our conference. Thank you so much, everybody. Please enjoy the night.